some things are just bigger and we don't control that much. So it was funny that, Instagram and social media was starting to pop off when I was a varsity head coach for lacrosse at a local high school here for 9 seasons, 10 years. And this was a time when social media was starting to grow. So here I was on marketing branding time, working with big companies. I'm in health and wellness. I'm in CrossFit. Everyone's, naked and it's sexy and they're fit and whatever. So I'm doing a lot of marketing with that. Lots of companies love to be in health and wellness. And so my marketing company, we had always done strategic partnerships, aka like influencers, because we didn't have a ton of money. So we were working with a lot of startups, key community influencers. So we would, get coaches or leaders or business owners and then, seed them or get them to align with companies. Well, when Instagram took off, brand ambassadors was the formal version of that. So we were already doing it. The kicker was that as the social media took off, it was a lot more smoke and mirrors. We've got filters changing bodies. We've got products and supplements and
Thank you
companies
for
saying they're
saying
doing
that.
things.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
that they're not. And we didn't have as much of a conscious consumer as we do now.
Mm.
So I felt, if I'm an old school philosophy fan, but like if reality is nothing more than applied meaning, if you're not a philosophy fan, to sum it up, it's to suffer. So we're kind of just navigating our way backwards of like how do we be happy. But if all of our reality is coming through our phone, marketing and branding and humans are a big part of like how we're digesting this world. So I felt very compelled as a marketing person to really start working with intentional mission driven companies and humans, but really telling the truth. I was managing influencers and brand ambassadors that were on the cover of Women's Health, but I knew they had disordered eating. And I was working with companies that had not so great ingredients, but they were barking it as, a health and wellness product. And I still filtered out everyone I worked with, but as you dug in, it was hard to get to the truth until you were already in it.